This is heating up a little bit. Training arc. Oh my gosh. You're done. Night night. Oh. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Damon. Thank you for tuning in. And today we are back and we are watching some more Chainsaw Man. We are watching episode 10, Bruised and Battered. And man, oh man. Last time we got what seems to be the conclusion to, I don't even know what you would call that. Because we just don't even know the villain's name. So we got the conclusion to the sword devil, taking out the sword devil and his other partner, taking out Himeno and, Denji and all the other devils in the Tokyo area. All the other devil hunters in the Tokyo area, like Arai and other people. We did see that Kobani is alive. But man. And we also got to see a glimpse of Makima's power. And she's a real problem. It makes it seem like Makima is not the person we're expecting her to be. Or maybe this is what some people expected her to be. I don't know. Every time I said it, she's kind of scary. And I think last episode proved that. And I think she has definitely some other things hidden from us that will soon be making us shit our pants, basically. She is not one to be trifled with. I don't know if she set this whole thing up, because it seemed like things worked out for her in the end. She gains control of the devil hunters in the Tokyo area, I believe. Or was it all devil hunters? No, I think it was just this. Okay, hold on. Okay, so the different special divisions of devil hunters, which I'm assuming are the devil hunters that can contract with devils, like Denji and Aki's group, basically. All those special units are now going to be condensed into one that'll report directly to Makima, which seems advantageous for her if that's what she was trying to get all along. I don't know. The way that kind of built up, it seems like that's something that Makima may have set up or had a heavy part in. So I'm very suspicious of her. I've been saying she's just scary, throughout the series. But now, that episode, yeah, I'm pretty wary of Makima right now. I don't know if she's on our side or not. I'm thinking not, but we'll just have to see. And yeah, we're going to have to see how, what the aftermath of this is. Like, a lot of the devil hunters just got off. They're dead. And Denji's body is severed, but he's the main character. We've seen that he can reattach his limbs before, so I'm assuming he'll be just fine. But Himeno, dead. Arai, dead. A lot of other devil hunters apparently dead. So how is this going to shape up? What's the outlook going to be? What's the impact? How is Makima going to proceed with her new, role in managing the condensed special units? I don't know. But I'm excited for it, and I'm ready to hop into it. But before that, I just want to let you guys know that you can check out the Patreon. The link is in the description below. And there, you can check out the full uncut reactions, and you can get them early access over there as well. You could check out many of the shows that we're reacting to here on the channel, such as Chainsaw Man, Bleach, My Hero, Spy Family, Jujutsu Kaisen, why did I say it like that? Jujutsu Kaisen, and many more to come. But with that being said, let's just hop into the episode. Is that power? It kind of sounded like power. So we got, okay, yeah, so we got Denji, Power, and Aki. And Denji's back together. Why does she want the apple? Simply grew hungry and went home. Yeah, y'all three. What? What's he see? That's his sword. Which takes years off his life, and he used it. Ooh. 2 years? Aki will die in 2 years? Ooh. Man. Himeno, rest in peace. Damn, this is sad. This is really sad. Are you gonna cry for Himeno? That was her dying wish to you. Oh, no, he's angry. Oh, but he's crying. I mean, his emotions are all over the place, as they should be. I mean, what do you expect? Yeah. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. I mean, Pochita didn't really die. He's still within you. Is it because he's double now that he's losing, like, human emotions? This is interesting reflection by Denji. But after 3 days. Is it because he doesn't remember losing people that he just doesn't understand? Or he's never really been close to anyone, I should say, so he's never really doesn't really know what it's like to lose someone. And these are the people from Kyoto. Everybody trying to eat this man's apples. That the enemy is after Denji, yes? I don't trust this lady. Okay, so this guy, we seen him in a flashback with Himeno, I think, and he was at the party too, I think. The drinking party. Nah, that's just depressing. Power's gonna say devils. Whichever one's gonna take care of me. Whichever one is winning. They honestly do not care. I wouldn't expect Power to care because she's a fiend. Get full points. From Special Division 1. Okay. He loves booze, women, and killing devils. Oh. Oh my gosh. He just said he loves killing doubles. Who actually is this guy? Yeah, why is that? And how did Denji get put back together? I guess it's just implied they reattached his two severed halves. He's the best double hunter there is. Any double that beats him would be the strongest devil. So he's going to be hunting the two of them. Interesting. So what can he do? Okay, this is heating up a little bit. Training arc. Oh my gosh. You're done. Night night. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh. I just slit her throat. She got off easy compared to Denji, in my opinion. You two have no rights here. Yo, this dude's my new favorite character. A pair of serious badasses. Hey, y'all should take notes. This man is a badass himself. Who is this guy? Did we learn his name? For having you bite off too much. So they're trying to convince him to get out while he can. He's hell-bent on revenge. He got that Uchiha blood in him. Everyone who works in the special division is crazy, so watch yourself. Who's the lady? Is it Makima? No. Who is this? That's not Himeno, is it? Who is that? Who is that? Man, they've been through it. What is going on? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, holy CTE. Damn, this long ass walk back. This is the serious walk of shame. Yeah, y'all are just... I think y'all need to consult Mr. Aaron Yeager to learn how to get free. Okay, so what's the plan? Are you guys just saying it, or do you actually have a plan? Oh, you've come up with 100 plans. I find that very hard to believe, coming from Power. He said he... What's this getup? Did they put glasses on to try to seem smarter? Get him! Ooh, nice reflexes. Just more blood. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that is sick. Okay, okay, so they actually had some plans. But this dude is a badass, yo. Who is this guy? Alright, Denji, what you about to do? I don't think this is going to work. Damn. Roundhouse kicked the shit out of him. Hey, that was pretty smart though. The ambush was pretty clean. Huh, so power can't use too much blood. Hey, if that's it for today, then y'all got off pretty easy compared to yesterday. Yeah, y'all are pretty lucky, unless he lied to you. Yeah, unless he lied to you. Oh my gosh. This man is an absolute savage, yo. Wow. Yo. Yo. That dude is sick. I wish I knew his name so I could stop calling him that dude. So are they bringing him to another devil? Who was the person that came to see him? Himeno's hair wasn't that long. It was when she was younger. Oh my gosh, that's gonna bother me. Okay, so we're getting Aki another weapon. Figuratively? Like, in terms of another double, or... or literally like a sword. Himeno's younger sister. Hmm. Oh my gosh. Why aren't they showing her face? What's it say? I can't read that. I force Aki to get his ear pierced. So these are letters that they've been exchanging. Himeno and her sister? Oh wait. Oh, hold on. If nothing else, we could go private instead of staying in public safety. How do I get Aki to quit? I brought it up, but he just brushed it off. Yeah, so if that's letters that Himeno and her sister have been exchanging, that's not a good look. Okay, so he's getting another double contract. The future double. One had to give up half their lifespan. Both their eyes, along with their sense of taste and smell. Aki doesn't have much of a lifespan left to give, and giving up both your eyes? What's the point then? So they actually just keep devils locked up. Yo, it's so much. So much that we're learning about this show. Oof. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's the episode. All of these are so trippy to me. Makima? Okay, I like that one. Okay, but yeah, first off, with that ending, that just seems a little... seems like too much of a coincidence for me. Denji reaches out for Makima. The next frame we see, there's a gun pointed at his head. I'm already very suspicious of Makima. So some things that I've been sleeping on since the last episode. One thing I was like, is Makima the gun devil? I don't know if that's really the case though. Like maybe she actually just really has contracts with other devils. But then that leads me to think, does she have a contract with the gun devil? I just don't trust Makima, so I just want to see like the worst in her right now. Like, so we know the Gun Devil is supposedly our big bad, our antagonist who just can cause so much destruction. Makima just seems super scary to me. It seems like she's getting everything she wants right now. I don't know. I just feel like that's my theory. Makima has a contract with the Gun Devil. At first, I just random thought she was the Gun Devil. Now my theory is she has a contract with the Gun Devil. How that plays out, or they're going to explore that, I have no fucking clue. But that's what I'm rolling with. I'm sticking with it until I'm proven wrong otherwise. But anyways, back to the episode. So this was a change of pace episode. Little bit of aftermath. So now we're seeing it really didn't focus too strongly on the loss of the Devil Hunters. I mean, yes, the Devil Hunters were dealt a huge blow with so many of their members being killed. Himeno, Arai, and many other people. But it didn't really focus on the loss of them too much, except for like Himeno. We got a little moment there at the end with Himeno's sister coming to see Aki, and it seems like Himeno has been exchanging letters with them, or with her sister, I'm assuming. And the last letter that we saw shows that Himeno is trying to convince Aki to get out of public safety and to go private, which, of course, if you're the sister, you're not going to be too pleased reading that and then learning that your sister died, as she's trying to convince her partner to get out of this dangerous business, and then, she ends up dying while her partner still lives. So might be some resentment there, some bitter feelings. So that's pretty rough. And then we got Denji and Power hitting their training arc with I wish I knew this guy's name. It's going to bother me. I'm going to have to check to see if they said it, or if they said it in the previous episode. I want to say he was at the drinking party, so I'm just going to have to rewatch and see what his name is, because that's going to bother me. He's already a cool, badass character. So monotone and just so badass, though. So, yeah, and we still have Makima being mysterious. Don't really know what to make of her right now, other than her being the contracted partner of the Gun Devil. I don't know. That's what I'm rolling with. But yeah. What if Makima wants Denji to kill the Gun Devil because the Gun Devil's contract with Makima is, I don't know, it's keeping her captive or severe or something. Like, it's the contract with her is too much for her to handle for something. So she wants Denji to kill the Gun Devil, which I guess might, free her of that contract. But I don't know what it could be. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, moral of the story is I'm not trusting Makima out here in these streets. But yeah, okay, so this is a pretty good episode. I can't wait to see what continues to develop with our gang, with Aki and him potentially getting the future devil, this new devil, how that's going to pan out, and what he may have to give up in exchange, for this devil's power, and what this devil can even do. So that's going to be interesting to see. But yeah, I can't wait to see how that all unfolds. So with that being said, I really enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys did as well. And if you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out the Patreon if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate that. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in. And this is your host, Damon, signing out. Peace.